Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. And 2 days ago, I was in one of the nearby Indian restaurant and I have one of the best beef masala that I ever had. So after coming back home, I'm thinking of why not I do it at home. So I've done some research and today in this video, I would like to show you my recipe of beef masala and I hope you will love it. First, get some beef. You can use beef brisket, rump or top side, is entirely your choice. Cut the beef into about 1 inch in length. Then measure some spices that we need, that is cumin seeds, cinnamon bark, cloves and some black peppercorns. Then add some oil into the pan, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then fry the spices that I have measured just now until fragrance. There's cumin, peppercorn, cloves, and the cinnamon. When the spices has turned fragrant, add the onion. Saute the onion for a few minutes over medium heat until the onions start to turn color. When the onion has turned color, now add the beef. Combine and continue cook for another 5 minutes. After that, add the ginger and the garlic paste. Ginger paste, garlic paste, and combine. Then we add the remaining spices for this recipe: chili powder, chili flakes, garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder, some paprika, black pepper, and some salt to season. So chili powder, garam masala, coriander, some chili flakes for extra spiciness, some turmeric for flavor and color, paprika mainly for the color, more black pepper, and some salt to season. And add a little bit of water to make it easier to combine. And I also include 1 small tomato chopped. Now I add a little bit more water and let it bring to a boil. Then turn down the heat and let it cook until the beef becomes tender. Now the beef has turned soft. Now I'm going to add the final ingredients, that's the yogurt. About 3 tablespoons. And then cook for a few more minutes. Okay, my quick and easy beef masala is done. So now let's transfer it to a serving plate. Garnish with some coriander leaf to serve. That's how to make beef masala the quick and easy method, home cooked method. and I've included the recipe in the description below the video, so you can download or refer to the recipe. And don't forget, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.